Today we are making low-carb pancakes. This recipe will make 4 large low-carb pancakes. These pancakes are not only fluffy and delicious, but they are also packed with protein. Each pancake has 13 grams of protein. Let's get started. Mix together half a cup of almond flour, half a cup of sugar-free, whey powder, I used vanilla flavor, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of sweetener, and a pinch of salt. Whisk together 2 large eggs. Melt 3 tablespoons of butter. Add the eggs and the melted butter to the dry mix. Mix until well combined. Then add in 1/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Mix until well incorporated. Let the mix sit while you heat up a non-stick pan to medium. Once the pan is hot, turn down to low. Slowly pour in the batter until you have a 4-inch diameter pancake. The pancake will cook on one side in 1 to 2 minutes. As soon as bubbles start to appear, the pancake is ready and will flip easily. The other side will be ready in less than 1 minute. Each pancake has 238 calories, 13 grams of protein, 19 grams of fat, and 2 net carbs.